Yeah, hi Fred, it's Mark at FMAB. Another one for you. Thank you very much. This one, basically, clean condition. So I've put another laser in there for you. Give the cogs a little clean up. They didn't need it really, to be honest with you. It don't look like there's been a lot of use on this one, which is in reasonable condition, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's ready, and that'll be going out for you tomorrow, buddy. I'll email you now and I'll upload this video for you, and you obviously know you got your warranty and everything, but as soon as you're my favourite, we'll always work something out between us. So yeah, alright Fred, thanks very much again, and anything you need, just give me a shout. I've had the phone line, the internet's been down for bloody 5 days, so I don't know if you've been trying to ring or not, but if you have, yeah, we've had no phone lines, because we live in the middle of bloody nowhere. It takes them forever to come out here and sort it out. But okay, thanks Fred, have a great day. Cheers buddy. Oh yeah, I'll just turn the music up for you. And it's a favourite tune. Cheers Fred.